Elevenlabs is amazing. I'm a huge fan and have used it countless times in my videos. If Elevenlabs sponsored me, I'd be set for life by now.
What are you doing, tenderizing me?
Today, I want to show you another one of Elevenlabs' incredible features: dubbing. You won't believe how it can dub your video in just a few seconds. And in multiple languages, it's pure magic. Let's check out this video together. I'm about to pull a magic trick just like this guy and dub this video into English in a matter of seconds.
In this video, we'll show you how to disappear and reappear the pasture card on this banana. But before that, you need 2 foods and a table for a satisfying heart to exist.
Elevenlabs offers tons of features. You can convert text to speech, transform one voice into another, generate sound effects from text. Just type the sound effect you need and Elevenlabs creates it for you. Or even clone voices so you can simulate your own or anyone else's voice. But today, we're focusing on dubbing, which is the highlight of this video.
I've interviewed some of the best CEOs in the world, and I'm fascinated by leadership. And the thing that really struck me was, like, when you think about your leadership stay of the Australian cricket team, how do you analyze your leadership style today? मैंने दुनिया के कुछ सर्वश्रेष्ठ सीईओ का इंटरव्यू लिया है और मुझे लीडरशिप पसंद है, और जो चीज़ मुझे सबसे अच्छी लगी है वो ये थी कि जब आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्रिकेट टीम की लीडरशिप के बारे में सोचते हैं तो आप अपनी लीडरशिप के स्टाइल को कैसे देखते हैं?
I click on Go to App on the main Elevenlabs page, or here, then click Sign Up. If you've already registered, you can just enter your Gmail and password or even log in directly with Gmail. It's much easier. On this page, select Dubbing from the left-hand menu. Type a name for your project, then choose the source language from this list and the target language as well. You can upload your video in a few ways. You can upload the video directly, paste a YouTube link, or even a link from TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, and other sites. I'll go ahead and upload a video from my computer. This is the video where I showed you how to create music using AI. First, I posted it in Persian on my main channel, and now here it is in English for you.
امروز میخوام یه هوش مصنوعی رو بهتون معرفی کنم که میتونه برامون آهنگ بسازه. آهنگایی بدون کپی رایت و متعلق به خودمون که نمونهش تا حالا توی دنیا ساخته نشده.
Next, select how many people are speaking in the video. Elevenlabs can automatically detect this, but it's better to specify it yourself for higher quality results. You can also choose which part of the video should be dubbed. If the Create button is grayed out, just uncheck this box and then click Create. My 10-minute video was dubbed and ready in just 4 minutes. The speed is incredible. I click Download to get the dubbed video. Let's check out the quality together.
Today I want to introduce you to a cool app that can create music for us, copyright-free tracks that belong to us. It's something that hasn't been made in the world yet. Good news, there's even a free plan and you can use it on your phone too. This artificial intelligence can even compose Persian songs for us.
I do have a slight accent, but that's natural since the dubbing quality largely depends on how I speak in the original video.
The artificial intelligence Sano, which I think is the best AI currently available for making music, makes it really easy for us to create music without having any expertise in this field. I log into sono.com to use this site. Just take a look at the main page of this site. Check out the samples they are making for me here. I can click on each one and listen to its music.
So, what languages can Elevenlabs dub into? These are the source languages it currently supports: Arabic, French, German, Hindi, Italian, Russian, Spanish, and many more that you can see here. And these are the target languages you can dub into: English, Chinese, Spanish, Hindi, and many other languages you can find here. Remember, these are the languages currently supported by Elevenlabs, and they're constantly adding more. Dubbing YouTube videos.
Mr. Blake owned a large factory in town.
To dub a YouTube video, simply copy the YouTube link, paste it here, and then hit the Create button. If you've used ElevenLabs to dub a video, let me know in the comments how it worked out for your language. Would love to hear about your experience. I currently use the ElevenLabs Starter Plan, which lets me convert up to 30,000 characters into audio. And I've got about 20,000 left. Click My Account and then Subscription to view the different plans. With the free plan, you can convert up to 10,000 characters into speech and even try out the dubbing feature. However, because the video time you can dub on the free plan is limited, I recommend going for the starter plan, which costs $5 per month. Or you can choose the creator plan for $22 a month. But for the first month, there's a 50% discount, so it's only $11. I've included the sign-up and subscription links to ElevenLabs in the video description. If you purchase through these links, you'll be supporting me, which means a lot to me. And ElevenLabs, if you're watching this, come sponsor my videos already. Just kidding, or maybe not. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more of my upcoming videos.